Yes. What did you have for dinner, Abigail? Did you tell Daddy? Yes, she likes it when you sing it to her. Yes. Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle for Maya?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how the wonder
Shh, softly. Soft. Her pacifier fell out.
No.
Abigail, she wants a pacifier. Look at her.
She's eating.
She's eating the pacifier?
Yeah.
What pacifier is food?
No.
No. No, she does not need any more blankets. But can you show her the giraffe? Maya, why are you spitting the pacifier?
What's spitting?
Why are you spitting?
What's spitting?
Can you show her the giraffe? Where is the giraffe?
Right there.
Can you bring it to her? One is for Maya and one is for Safta. No, it's for Safta. It's for Safta. Maya, you silly girl. You're spitting the pacifier every minute. Yes. No, she just wants to see. She doesn't want to hold it. She's too little. She just wants to see. Can you show her, Maya? Here's the giraffe. That's for you. And one for Safta. No, don't put it on her. Abigail, you're going to fall down. Maya, silly girl. She spits the pacifier. She's eating the pacifier?
Yeah.
She thinks that it's milk.
No. That's
I don't know.
yes,
Shh. Look at Maya. She wants to sleep. You see, she wants to sleep. Hi, Maya. Maya, what are you doing? Why are you spitting the pacifier?
I want to put it on.
No. She's too little. In a few days, okay?
Just spit it out. Just spit it out.
Shh. Now she goes to sleep.
It was so stinky.
In the toilet?
No, in the diaper.
In Maya goes in a diaper? Maya does not go in the toilet?
No, Maya doesn't go in the toilet.
It was. Abigail, let her be for 5 minutes. Let's go and fix her bed. We want to fix her bed so she will have somewhere to sleep at night, okay?
Don't fix it.
Can you fix it?
Don't fix it.
Not to fix it? Can you help me fix it?